Solve a system of linear equations with substitution. The content will include the concept, and I have provided 3 examples to help you. Here is some positive feedback from one of my wonderful students I've had the pleasure of working with in Algebra 2 and currently pre-calculus. The concept for solving a system of linear equations using substitution, this requires that you have or you isolate one of the variables. An isolated variable is then eliminated by replacing it with its equivalent expression. This is continued until there is one equation with one variable. Here's the first example. With each of the 3 examples, please pause the video if you choose to work it out on your own. And if you work it out on your own, I would love to see your comments about your results in the comment section. Thank you. Okay, example 1, y equals 4x plus 3. And the other equation is y equals negative 2x plus 3. You see both equations are in slope-intercept form. Equations may be in the same form, they may be in different forms. What you can do is note that the value of y from the second equation is substituted in place of y in the first equation, yielding 4x plus 3 equals negative 2x plus y. What's on the left-hand side equals y, and what's on the right-hand side equals y. We have now eliminated y from the equation. You have one equation with one variable to solve. Here are the steps for solving that equation to get x equals 0. You have not finished solving the equation until you get the x value and the y value. Substituting 0 into either of the original equations, it's your choice, whichever one you prefer to use, you will get y equals 3. I use the second equation. So the solution, the xy values are 0, 3. The second example, y equals 3/2 x plus 4, and 3x minus 2y equals negative 8. Again, please pause the video to attempt this on your own. To solve this system of linear equations, we will look at the first equation, which already has y isolated. Take the equivalent expression 3/2 x plus 4 from the first equation and substitute that into the second equation wherever you have y. This will give you one equation with one variable, x. I have gone through this process step by step. The conclusion is negative 8 equals negative 8. When you get a conclusion that is true, you have infinitely many solutions. So any value we plug in for x will result in a y value of 3/2 x plus 4. These two equations are the same line. Lastly, example 3. Again, please pause the video to work this out on your own. For example 3, both equations are in standard form. What I did is substitute the result from the second equation once it was worked out to have y isolated with y equals negative 1/4 x plus 15 by subtracting 1/4 x from each side. That result of y is substituted into the first equation everywhere you have y. Look at the blue work. You see negative x minus 4, then I use parentheses where I substituted the value of y. After that, again, it equals negative 3. You will have one equation and one variable, x, to work out. The result is negative 60 equals negative 3. This is false. Whenever you have a statement that is false, there is no solution. There is no solution when the lines are parallel. Please contact me to connect with me. I would love to hear from you about this video, what thoughts you have, what concerns you have, or let me know what content for algebra you want me to upload. Thanks for watching. Bye.